we got? Alright, that's the COOSII P80C wireless headset. Alright, got it off of Amazon. It's gonna be a Christmas present. Alright, looks good. Nice and shiny, but not too shiny. Alright, also the connections, volume buttons. Alright. What do we have here? USB connector, audio connector. This is a wireless headphone, but I guess you can also connect it. Gamers will like that for latency reasons. And there's also the microphone hookup. Noise cancelling microphone, so that's going to come in handy with the kids in the background for sure. I'm going to have to try that out. And the manual. So I bet you're going to have to charge this first. So that's what I'll do next. And that was it.